How to purchase heroes in Honor of Kings. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Are you playing Honor of Kings and want to expand your hero roster with new characters? If yes, follow through the steps till the end. First things first, launch open Honor of Kings game on your device, and once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the shop button at the top left. Once you're inside the shop menu, you need to go to Heroes on the left hand side. After you click on Heroes, you'll be able to see a list of heroes you can purchase. Purchasing heroes cost a certain amount of star stones or tokens, and some popular heroes often cost more. Go ahead and scroll through the hero list and select the hero you'd like to purchase. After choosing a hero, you'll be able to see the hero's info. You'll see the details about their abilities and cost. The price will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. In order to purchase the hero, as I mentioned earlier, you'll need to spend star stones or tokens. If you have enough currency, click on purchase and select which method you'd like to pay. I'm just gonna choose star stone. Once you do that, you'll be able to see you have successfully got a new hero. You can share your new progress with your friends by clicking share. Share it via social messaging platform or social media platforms. Or if you just want to get back to the home screen, click on OK. And there you have successfully purchased a hero in Honor of Kings. Now you know how to purchase heroes in Honor of Kings using the in-game currency. Whether you earn them by playing or decide to top up for tokens, unlocking new heroes will help you diversify your playstyle and enjoy every match even more. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.